Hi, I'm Jonah from McWane Science Center. On today's SciSparks, we'll be trying an all-time classic physics demonstration. And if you don't think we have a little twist to add to it, I find your lack of faith disturbing. Today, we'll be talking about one word, force. Through the force, things you will see. This video is about forces, not the force. Today, we'll be talking about one word, forces. In physics, a force is just a push or a pull. That's it. To show you how forces make stuff move, I've put a bunch of dishes and cups on this tablecloth. And on the count of 3, I will pull the cloth off the table. 1. Hang on a second. Consider big shot scientist and Jedi master Isaac Newton. He came up with 3 laws about how forces make things move. The first law says
that an object at rest will remain at rest unless acted on by an outside unbalanced force, and an object in motion will remain in motion at a constant velocity naturally, unless acted on by an outside unbalanced force.
And if you think that sounds like a mouthful, you should hear it translated into Wookiee. This law is called inertia, and it's pretty simple. If something is at rest, if it's not moving, like those, they won't start moving for no reason. They'll only move if a force pushes or pulls on them. And if something is already moving, it's not going to slow down, speed up, stop moving, or change direction, again, unless some force makes it. Let's put this to the test. On the count of 3, I will pull the tablecloth off the table. 1, 2, oh, I forgot to talk about friction. Friction is a force that opposes motion when 2 things rub up against each other. Something moves one way, friction pushes back the other way. And friction partly depends on how rough or how smooth the objects are. This card, for example, is very smooth, so it does not have a lot of friction. Pushing on the card only pushed on the coin a little bit. Without a lot of force pushing or pulling, it didn't move until the card was gone and the force of gravity pulled it down. Let's try that again with a card that has more friction. The tablecloth is very smooth. Another thing that's going to help me during this experiment is that these cups and dishes have lots of mass. Mass measures how much matter you have. If something has only a little bit of mass, it only needs a little bit of force to make it move. But if something has lots of mass, it takes a lot more force to move it. To put this to the test, on the count of 3, I will take the tablecloth, pull it off the table. 1, 2, 3, wait. Forgot one last thing, just one more. Yeah. Remember kids, don't try this at home, and that goes for you too, grown-ups. I've got a bad feeling about this. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 2.5, 3. Thanks, inertia. You will like and subscribe to McWane's YouTube channel. I'm telling you for the last time, you do not have Jedi powers.